To be a recording testing to see how you're able to take a video with your iPad and then upload it to OneDrive and share it with someone. Here goes. I'm going to tap on the camera app and let's see where I'm at. I'm not by my pool. I'm going to switch it to video and make a short recording. I'll even come down and show you my dog. She's laying here at my feet. We're doing a little maintenance on our wisteria. Okay, I'll end the video. And I'll close the video, or close the app. Now this puts this in your photo area, if you weren't aware of that. To find that, I'll even show you. I'll go to my photos area, and you'll see that the video is there. Okay? It's right there. It's the last object there. Okay. So then I'm going to, once my video is saved, I'm going to open up my OneDrive. It may require you to log in if you haven't logged in your iPad for a while. It's just your normal single sign-on that we have assigned to us. It is there. Alrighty. I'm going to, up in the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to tap on the plus symbol and then upload. It'll be photos and videos. And it goes right onto my camera roll. And there's my video. I'm going to tap done. Now, depending on your internet connection and how good it is at home, it may take a little while. If you're at school, it shouldn't take very long at all. Mine, unfortunately, at my house, takes a considerable amount of time. And it may take a little longer than I want to. So what I'm going to do is pretend that the video is here on my list. All you then have to do once you see your video has finished uploaded is tap the three dots at the end on the right side of your iPad for that file. I'm going to tap on this one here. Okay, see where I'm tapped there. And then you just tap share. And at that point in time, if you're sharing your video with me to be able to put on YouTube, just type in my email address in the box that pops up like this. Again, my internet connection is a little slow. But in here you'll see that you can just type in my email address and tap send. That is it. I hope this helps.